Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: red color, blue color, green color, yellow color, black color, white color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1 2 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids again use red color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids now draw F. F for fish, F for fan, and use blue color. G. G for goat, G for grapes. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids now J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use green color. K. K for kite, K for kangaroo. Kids again use green color and draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. M. M for moon, M for monkey. Kids again use green color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And use yellow color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids again use yellow color and draw Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids now draw R. R for rose, R for rice, and use black color. S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids again use black color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. V. V for van, V for vanilla. W. W for watch, W for wallet. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas-tree, and use white color. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids again use white color and draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids now draw numbers, and first draw 1. The numbers of 1, and use red color. O N E 1, 2, T W 2, 3, T H R W 3. Kids again use red color and draw 4. F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5. Kids 96. The numbers of 6. And here is blue color. Blue color is IX6. 7 is EVE and 7. 8 EIGHT8. 9 NINE 9. Kids again use blue color. And last 8 or 10. The numbers of 10. TE and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.